What's up everybody? It's Dave from Both Lighting USA, and today I've got another settings, demo, and overview video for one of our fixtures. It's the MH-150 spot moving head. The MH-150 is our flagship spot moving head. It's 150 watts, it's got a color wheel, it's got the Gobos wheels, frost, zoom, and a bunch of other capabilities. Let's look at the front and the back, the ports and the buttons, and finally I'll give you an overview of every single setting on the screen of this light. Let's do it. Starting off on the back side of the fixture, from left to right, we've got your power con in and out, we've got a fuse in the middle, and we've got your DMX in and out on the right side. That is 3-pin DMX right there. So you've got DMX in and out and power con in and out, which means you can daisy chain these fixtures together. And taking a look at the front screen of the fixture, you've got your typical square display with a menu, enter, up, and down button. When you're not in sleep mode, you will automatically be met with what mode you are running in. Right now we're running in DMX mode, as you saw, in 16-channel mode on address 58. You'll see I pressed enter to wake up the screen, but if you want to move into the menu, you can press the menu button. We've got our 4 menu options here. First one being address, which is exactly what you saw before. You saw this address setting where you can press up and down and it will adjust the channel for you, and you can press enter to save your settings. If you press menu again, use the down arrow to head to the right side of the screen, and you can press enter into run mode. This will let you choose which mode the fixture is running in. Right now we have it in DMX mode, but if you press down, we've also got an auto mode and a second auto mode, 2 auto options, a sound active mode option, which will work to the beat of the music. There is a microphone inside of the fixture. Down below sound mode is your manual mode, which allows you to essentially create a static scene with all of the settings of the fixture. You've got your pan, your tilt, dimmer, shutter, color, gobo, gobo 2, gobo rotation, your focus, your prism rotation, and there we are back at the top. So you can essentially create a static scene from 0 to 255 or 0% to 100% for each of the parameters of the fixture completely manually. And this is sometimes used for testing too. If you want to make sure that your color wheel or your gobo wheel is working, you can come over into the manual test. Going back to the menu, we'll get back into DMX mode by pressing enter there. We'll head back into the menu and we will go into the setup, pressing the down arrow and enter. You've got your pan and tilt reverse settings right here, which you can turn on or off. It will 180-degree pan or tilt reverse. You've got your display here. Oh, we're going down. You've got your display here, which you can turn on or off, and this is going to be your screensaver. So if you put this on, your screensaver will never come on because your display is on. If you have this off, then your screensaver will come on. Display, we've got your screen reverse. So if you flip that on, it will reverse your screen upside down. You can use this when you're hanging the fixture upside down on trussing so you can see your screen correctly. Let me press enter and get it back to off so our screen goes back in the right direction. Under that, you've got your channel mode. So this is what your channel is. So this is the channel mode that your fixture is running on in DMX. We use 16 channel mode, but you also have 14, 12, and 10 channel mode. Next is your sensitivity, which is the microphone sensitivity for your sound active mode. We found that right around 85% works best, but you can. We found that around 85% sensitivity works best, but you can adjust to your speakers and your volume of music. Heading down here, we can go into the motor 0 settings, which you should never have to change. These are the official 0 settings that you should have, and this is basically the base point, the 0 movement point of each fixture. So if you ever get into a pinch, you can take a look at this video and see all of the default numbers here. But if we head back, you've also got your reset and your factory settings reset button right here. So if anything goes wrong with the fixture, you want to try and do a factory reset first, and that should fix any and all of your issues. Heading back into the menu, we get back into our main screen. Let's go over into System Info, which gives you some basic information like the temperature, your DMX address, and your firmware version of the unit. Head back into menu, and that's it. Those are the 4 menu settings on the screen. If you hit menu again, it will bring you back out into your main run. Well, there you have it, folks. That was an overview and demo of our MH-150 moving head spot. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, or if you're interested, check out the link to our Both Lighting USA website below in the description. Give us a call, send us a text or an email. We're super happy to chat with you, answer all your questions, and get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks so much for watching.